Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's video is about 3 ways to make your home equity work for you. Home equity is just the value of your property less any mortgage that's attached to it. So the first way to make your home equity work for you is purchasing an investment property. You see, you're allowed to use the equity in your house to purchase an investment property. The great thing with that is that you don't have to save to do so. You're using the equity from your existing place. Now, there are limits to how much equity you can take out with regards to the lenders in the market. So what I suggest you to do is to speak to your mortgage broker to determine the maximum amount that you can take out to purchase an investment property. So that's the first way, is using your equity to purchase an investment property. The second way to make your home equity work for you is renovating your house. So if you've always wanted to add an extra room to your place, or renovating the bathroom, or doing the landscaping, or adding an additional, or adding a pool to your house, you can use the equity to do so. So it doesn't have to, it can be structural and it can be non-structural renovations. So again, speak to your broker and they'll be able to provide you with the right lenders to suit your needs. And finally, the third way to make your equity work for you is investing in other investments. So you see, you're allowed to use your equity to purchase other investments. So if you've ever wanted to buy shares, or if you've ever wanted to purchase managed funds, or gold, or whatever it is, if you're thinking about diversifying and purchasing other investments, you're able to use the equity to do so. Now, I strongly suggest you speak to a financial advisor if you're considering this, purely because they'll be able to sit down with you and go through your goals and objectives and determine whether it's the right strategy for you. So, they're my 3 ways to use your equity, your home equity, to make it work for you. Number 1 is obviously using it to purchase an investment property. Number 2, to renovate your house. And finally, number 3 is to purchase other investments. Now, when it comes to equity, I strongly suggest always speak to your mortgage broker, because there are limits based on the lenders out there, how much equity you can take out. But your mortgage broker can sit down with you and go through it all with you to determine the right strategy for you. That's it from me. If you have any questions, I would love to hear them below. If you'd like to know the value of your house, please contact the office and we can happily assist with you. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye-bye.